Hey everyone, welcome back. So do you need to send a wire transfer to Fifth Third Bank in 2025? So whether it's domestic or international, I've got the steps for you. So my friends, first grab the right info for domestic wire to Fifth Third. You'll need the recipient's full name, their account number, and the bank's routing number. So that's going to be a specific number for wires. Going international, get the SWIFT code plus the recipient's bank name and address. Double check everything, one wrong digit and your money's lost in a limbo. Write it down or screenshot it. Step 2. Head to a branch. Fifth Third doesn't let you start international wires online, so find a location at 53.com. Bring your ID and the recipient's details. Ask for a wire transfer form, fill it out with the amount, currency and purpose, like gift or payment. Domestic wires can be set up via online banking for some accounts, but in branch is safest. Expect a $30 to $50 fee for domestic and $50 to $85 for international. Now hand over the form and pay the fee, cash or from your accounts. The banker will process it usually before the daily cutoff, like 4 p.m. to hit the same day for domestic. International takes 1 to 5 days per the SWIFT network. You'll get a confirmation slip, keep it. I sent a wire once and that slip saved me when I needed to track it. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you transfer the wire. So yeah, drop your story below, like and subscribe for more. See you next time.